How to enable Wi-Fi calling on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can enable Wi-Fi calling on Android. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So to enable Wi-Fi calling on Android, first, for most Androids, you'll need to go to your settings. So find your phone's main setting app and then open it up. After you're on your settings, you will need to go to Network and Internet, or also known as Connections. And after you're there, before I teach you guys what to do next, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. And without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So after you're on your settings and then on your network and internet, you will then need to tap on Wi-Fi calling if you see it. If not, go to your SIM option. After you're on your SIM option, scroll down till you see Wi-Fi calling option. Tap on it and simply toggle this button on. After you've turned it on, you can then be able to use Wi-Fi calling, and it's basically that simple. And yeah, that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you found today's video helpful. And if you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.